My name is Suresh. I'm specialized in Java and DevOps, and I've been teaching here at GA for last 6 years. I'm a Java developer, I'm a Java software engineer, and I'm also practicing DevOps as well. We pride in 3 key things. One is I do as an instructor, then we do it together, and you get to do it on your own as a student. And plus, the most important factor is that we always, here at GA, we teach you it's okay to fail. Failing is an opportunity to learn. And as an instructor, I make sure you're in a safe environment and you get to thrive. And plus, more importantly, you can walk into the class. Let's say you don't know how to code at all, but within 3 months, right? Within 3 months, or it depends on the course that you take, you can always thrive as a software engineer. So you come with zero knowledge and you walk out with something. In fact, you get to walk out with something every single day, right? Every single day that you get to build an artifact. So as an instructor, that's the best thing ever. For me, AI is a tool. As you know, there are so many softwares out there, so many AI tools out there. But again, as an instructor, as a software engineer, I don't know everything, right? But again, if you want to learn, if you're going to be forefront of the technological advancements, I would say learn AI as a tool. Learn how to apply that tool set to your workflow. Learn how to adapt. So AI is tremendously helpful. So cybersecurity is an emerging field, although it's been there for decades. Since the age of AI, things are changing rapidly. So I would say if you want to embark in software engineering field, you need to take security seriously. You need to think about cybersecurity seriously. And learn how to write good software, right? If you're going to fail, you fail fast. You don't wait to fail tomorrow or 10 weeks from now. Learn how to fail today, so this way you can write good software. Changing somebody's life is more important for me. So being a part of that journey always give a sense of fulfillment as an instructor. Love it for you to join me in my next class.